welcome back to Broke Ass EDC. Got the Kizer Momo. That is a big boy right there. Let's get them overall length, 9.45 inches. Front flipper. They're calling it a standard blade. Blade length, 4.19 inches. And that blade steel is 154 cm. Aluminum handle. Got the 3D pocket clip, not reversible. 5.32 ounces. It's a pocket full. Man, that is a clean looking clip, isn't it? Steel liner lock. You definitely want to get out of the way of that big blade dropping down, but the action, for as big as it is very crisp on that front flipper. All kinds of handle. No real hot spots. You can get back on it, get up. A little bit of jimping back here from the front flipper. You can't really feel it when the blade is deployed. But that is all kinds of blade to get business with. Like I said, that drop is serious with all that weight. Billboarding, dead on. Kizer there, a little bit of blade steel marking. And then a knife name and maker's mark. Back spacer, holding together, a little lanyard action. There's some milling down in there and those steel liners to cut that weight. Pretty solid lock bar axis. It's smooth, but you can get to it well. Hardware, spot on. No more than you need, just what you gotta have. Pour clip is not reversible, so lefties are out of luck on this one. Dead nut centers. And that action is serious. You're flinging that big blade hard. Can't get the... I just never been good at that one, getting my damn old fingers out of the way. What about the roller? Oh yeah. So not the best front flipper in my book, but it is it's a solid option. What are these running anyway? 109, so $100 bill, aluminum, 154 cm, and you need a big blade. This might be your candidate. Not to mention, she is pretty damn clean when it's open. What do you think of the Momo from Kizer? Drop a old comment, let me know. Smash that thumbs up button. Give me the sub and check out Saturday nights with the Knifeaholics. I guess y'all stay sharp. Stay safe.